frequent, frequent, frequent. If something is frequent, it happens often. I take frequent trips overseas. Sufficient, sufficient, sufficient. If something is sufficient, it is just what is needed and no more. The smaller suitcase is sufficient to fit all of Leah's clothes for the weekend. Oasis, oasis, oasis. An oasis is a relaxing or peaceful spot in an area that is unpleasant in some way. My dad enjoys going to the park because it is an oasis where he can relax. Permission, permission, permission. If you get permission, someone who is in charge allows you to do what you asked to do. David asks permission to open his gift. Installing, installing, installing. If you are installing something, you are setting it up so it is ready to use. He is carefully installing a stained glass window. Abandoned, abandoned, abandoned. If a place is abandoned, it is no longer cared for or used. There is an abandoned car left in the field.